fishy. Now this is my turtle. Now these are mine.
Trinity, you have the bird, the cat, and the dog. These are yours. Those are Aiden's. You come sit here, or Mommy's gonna let you do it anymore. Yeah, you got a dog too.
What?
Can you start over?
What's up, little man? Don't try to grab for it. See, that's why I said you should give him one out, her one at a time. Now she's gonna do it all three.
You
and
know.
then